Alright, today YouTube, I'm going to teach you how to play Yahweh, 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 Higher Jesus, higher, 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 Yahweh, higher. So I'm going to teach you the progression first before I teach you the bass line and the rhythm line you're going to play. You're going to play there. So let us think on how to play it. Yahweh. Okay. Higher, 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 Jesus, higher, 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 Jesus, higher. So the progression is 1, 4, 5, 5, just say 1. So that's the progression. Let me repeat it so that we can. Higher, 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 Jesus, higher, 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 Jesus, higher, higher, higher. So, on that, I just lay that progression I teach you, then I back it up with the note. One, higher, Jesus, higher, 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 Jesus, higher. So, but we are not going to play that at the left hand. So, left hand is supposed to play something good. Yahweh, 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 Jesus, Yahweh, Yahweh, Jesus, Yahweh, Jesus, Jesus, What am I playing? Do 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 do, Jesus, Jesus, but it's not what I play. I play. So I'm just playing the same chord, but I'm just playing arpeggio, breaking notes. Just say I play arpeggio instead of playing Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. I just break it, play it, one by one. That's called arpeggio on song. So now let us play with the beat and the progression. So what am I playing in the right hand? That is it.